Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area, near West Town Commons Shopping Center on Walker Road at University Village Apartments. Getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days shortly. It turned out to be a beautiful day today. Lots of sunshine. It was expected. Hey, finally got one right, huh? Little joke on the side there. Was nice and sunny though. Temperatures remained relatively cool. The low and the high even stayed below 90 degrees again. Very unusual for the month of August, but I'll take it anyways. And we actually got possibly 2 or 3 more days, or maybe even longer than that, before we get back into the 90s for highs. So we're being blessed this year, no doubt about it, for the month of August. Looks like we're going to go through at least Thursday without any rainfall. We'll have to wait till Friday for that. And our lows will generally be in the mid to upper 60s and highs mid and upper 80s. I almost gave you the full forecast before I got to it. Anyways, but I hope you enjoyed today, and you should be able to enjoy the next couple of days of weather easily and comfortably. Did I say that right? I hope I did. Anyways, let's move on to the climate summary and, of course, the forecast after that, and then I'll show you the usual graphs. Let me put my glasses on first so I can read my notes correctly, I hope. Alright. As of 5 p.m. here in North Jackson, the skies were mostly clear. The temperature was 84 degrees. The dew point was 67 degrees. The relative humidity was 57%. The winds were out of the northeast at 10 miles per hour. And the barometric pressure was 30.04 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was 68 degrees. Normal low is 68 degrees. Hey, we actually had a normal low temperature this morning. Regardless of how abnormal everything else may be, politically or whatever, at least the low temperature was perfect this morning. Hallelujah. Congratulations, low. 68 degrees, once again, was the low. Today's high was 86 degrees. See, it stayed below 90 degrees for another day. How about that? Let's see. Oh, no rainfall. Lost track of where I was going for a second there. No rainfall fell today, of course. I'm at 39 hundredths for the month of August and 30.93 inches for the year. Today's lowest barometric pressure, I'll go ahead and give it to you since I mentioned it, was 30.03 inches, and that occurred at 2 through 5 a.m. this morning, while the highest would be 30.09 inches, and that was at 11 a.m. and 12 noon today. The lowest relative humidity, was 57%, and that occurred at 4 and 5 p.m., while the highest would be 100%, and that occurred at 12 and 1 and 3 through 7 a.m. This morning. Today's highest wind gust at the Jackson, Tennessee airport was 18 miles per hour out of the northeast at 1:55 p.m. Now the sun will be setting tonight at 7:52 p.m. Be rising tomorrow morning at 6:10 a.m. The moon will be rising tonight at 8:35 p.m. and be setting tomorrow morning at 6:54 a.m. So it should be another beautiful moonrise tonight, and moonset for that matter, tomorrow morning. Now today's records for August the 8th, hottest high would be 101 degrees. and it happened 4 times in history since 1948. My goodness. It still stands, though, in 1956, 1980, 2007, and 2012. Those are the 4 different years that our high reached 101 degrees. The coolest high would be 72 in 1997. The warmest low would be 76 in 1951. And the coldest low would be 50 in 1989. Today's record rainfall would be 2.22 inches, and that fell in 2014. Alrighty, that's pretty much most of the climate data part. I'll go ahead and go into the forecast with you now for the next few days. Looks like it's going to be, of course, mostly clear or partly cloudy at worst the rest of tonight on into tomorrow. Looks like the low should be around 66 degrees, which is 2 degrees cooler than what we had this morning. So it's still going to be rather cool. 66 is good enough for me. 86 will be tomorrow's high, which is exactly what we had today. So we're going to have a ditto day, if I can use that word there. We should have east winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, fair skies, partly cloudy, continues with a low near 69 and a high of 88. And we'll have north winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. I used to tease with the local radio station a few years back that 69 degrees was my favorite temperature. Just perfect. Just thought I'd mention that for fun. Okay, I think I mentioned north winds at 5 to 10 on Thursday. Now by Friday, looks like it's going to be very cloudy. We're going to start being clouding up a little bit. We'll have some sun, though, mixed in. Very cloudy. There's a 60% chance of some showers and thunderstorms, mainly during the AM hours, ending around lunch, then just being very cloudy the rest of the day till Friday night, and then skies should become fair. We should have a low near 69. That's another perfect temperature, with the high near 88 degrees on that day. And it looks like it's going to be, winds will be out of the west at 5 to 15 miles per hour. On Saturday, not too bad. It's going to be fair skies till noon, then very cloudy with a 50% chance for some showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening hours. But they will be on scattered basis. Low near 69. Oh, another perfect low. Now, I better quit teasing about that one. A high temperature of near 87 degrees with southwest winds at 5 to 15. It looks like Sunday's going to be a sort of a wet one, mostly cloudy with a 60% chance of more showers and thunderstorms. Again, they will be on scattered basis with low near 70 and a high of 85 with southwest winds at 10 to 20. I'm going to leave it at that, and of course, as always, if you'd like to check out the complete 9-day forecast, which will take you down to through Thursday week, the 17th, you can go to my forecast website at southjacksonweather.wordpress.com and read it there if you'd like to. Alrighty, then you go ahead and go on to the current surface map, courtesy of the Weather Channel, of course. And let me turn the camera around so you can see it as well. It looks like tonight we have a fairly decent looking map, actually. It looks like we have still have that low well, the front's kind of broken up a bit after all these days. Comes off of a low pressure up there off of the coast from New England. Cold front down to about Alabama, central Alabama roughly. And then comes stationary front down to another low down around Houston, Texas. I've been hearing a lot of severe flooding down there in the Houston area from some heavy rains that's been falling down there the last 24 hours or so. And that front moves on stationary on out to New Mexico, and that's where it ends. And then you see the fronts out west, the lows and the highs, and where it's raining and where it isn't. And that's pretty much it as far as rainfall goes. Florida has a little bit of rain in spots. Here in Tennessee, though, we're in great shape. It looks like the western half of North Carolina is in okay shape, and there's rain in the eastern half. And my friend Dylan Wilson may be on that borderline of where it's raining. He's near Raleigh, North Carolina. I had good luck to him and everybody else who lives over there. But good here in Tennessee. How about that? Cool. Tennessee's doing good today. Alrighty. Then move on to the radar. I pronounced that one real good. Memphis radar, courtesy of AccuWeather. Hey, that's a good shot of Jackson right there. Clear skies, no precipitation, as you can tell. All the way up to at least Cape Girardeau, Missouri, probably further north than that even. All the way over to, I'm going to say, Nashville. Most of the rain is south of us, right here. From about Tupelo, Mississippi, maybe the corner there around Alabama, Mississippi, Tupelo, Mississippi, and west, especially toward Clarksdale, Mississippi, and over toward, I think that's Oxford. I don't think that's all Holly Springs, but right near one of those towns. I wish it was listed, but it isn't. Not on this map, anyway. Oh well, it's in that general area. Looks like they're all moving west, southwest, and what an odd direction. It looks like Clarksdale, Mississippi may be getting wet before long, if they're not already, down in that area. Other than that, that's it. Skies are clear, and so is the radar. Alrighty, let's move on to what's next. Satellite picture, yeah. This is the local one for Tennessee, a satellite radar combo. Yeah, the skies are pretty clear. A few little dotted clouds up north of us, but they're fizzling out. Most of Tennessee is clear, except for the southeastern portions down around Chattanooga and a few miles north of there. Clouds are just south of Knoxville and Johnson City there. It's pretty cloudy down south of us. Yep. Especially from Tupelo down. Further down you go, the thicker the clouds. They were thick over here in Alabama and Georgia, it looks like, with scattered showers and storms down there. It's clear north of us. Alrighty, and of course it's real good and clear here in West Tennessee, right here in Jackson. Alrighty, let's take a peek at one more, and then I guess I'll be through for the evening. It's the Southeast Regional Radar and Satellite Combo. And if you don't believe that's what it's called, well, there it is. Southeast Regional Radar and Satellite Combo. So I'm just repeating what they say. That's good enough. Clear to the north of us, there's Jackson, of course, right there in the center. Alright, and there's the clouds to our south. Right now, Houston, Texas is probably cloudy down there. Looks like it might be a little rain still on the east side of Houston, but maybe it's not. There's still some yellow down in there, so still may be raining down there in that part of the country. And there's the clouds and the storms. It's probably cloudy, or I might be getting a little sun over there around Raleigh, right near there. We'd be kind of on the edge, I imagine. But anyhow, the rains, especially along the coastline. There's Florida for you. Northern half basically is cloudy with a few spots of sun. Southern half is pretty well sunny. Real pretty down in Key West, Florida, it looks like. And that's pretty much the map. satellite picture. Let me get a close-up view of Tennessee here. Alright, and that probably will conclude it for tonight, my friends. Well, enjoy the night. It's going to be another cool night, like I mentioned. It's going to be fair through Wednesday with, I believe, what was that high for tomorrow again? A high of about 88 tomorrow, and again, low tomorrow morning. That's Friday's forecast. Let me move it back up just a little bit. Gave you the wrong forecast for tomorrow there. Low about 66 and a high of 86 for tomorrow. I hope you get a chance to get out and enjoy it. Well, that's it for tonight. I hope all of you have a very pleasant Tuesday night. And I hope you wake up to a beautiful Wednesday morning, August the 16th, 2017. And hopefully I'll get a chance to talk to you again tomorrow night. And until then, good night, my friends. And may God bless each and every one of you.